check this out. This is a dry wrap. This little bundle of joy right here actually turns into that. These are awesome, man. They help protect your equipment, keep them out of the element. Man, I love these things. I've been using them for about 5 years now. I keep my equipment outside, so I have to protect them from the elements. You know what I mean? And I use these dry wraps. They're dope. If you want to get you one or some, I have about 6 of these bad boys, and they work well. You can actually pull it all the way down. They have these little, let's see, let me check it out. They have these little, this little elastic here. You can lock it in, tie it around something. See how that locks in down there. A little rest there. Take care of that. Definitely don't like that. But yeah, I mean, you literally can cover up all your equipment under there, man. It's pretty dope. I love it. These things keep the maintenance low, for sure. Trust me when I tell you. Cool wraps. I'm sorry, not cool wraps. Dry wraps. Go from this to that. Keep everything covered. They're a little faded, but this is after, 5 years, 3 to 5 years, 4 or 5 years, something like that. They're a little faded, but let me tell you something. They work. They work. It's raining right now. You can actually see the water beating up on it. Literally. Dry wraps.